What's up, guys? Just kinda show Mitch's raid on our last war. Forgot to record it. He 3 stars at Town Hall 9, which is pretty legit. He's got one level 2 expo and one level 3 expo, both set to air. He drops a few balloons just to clear out those cannons right there. Easy peasy. Now he wants to use this to clear or pull castle. And he's gonna bring him up here. Yeah, he's gonna bring the castle up here. It's good pull, good pull. Just like that, he got rid of 2 cannons and or just 2 cannons. He lures them out right here just to drop a lightning spell, take out these wizards. They could really ruin your raid. Didn't quite kill the witch, but she won't cause much of a threat. Boom. He distributes his lava hounds evenly from his loons from the right to the left, which paid off because they go straight from the bottom to the top. Drops 2 heal spells, which is awesome against Town Hall 9s because no Inferno Towers. Pretty solid raid, man. Not only that, he still has like a shit ton of loons left, which shows that it was done pretty well. You didn't really need minions because you got all these pups doing like 8,000 damage per second. Definitely masterful.